everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Michelle. Very nice to meet you. And if you guys are coming back, hey, what's up? So today I did a look. So if you look on my video for yesterday, you'll see this look. This is my Chucky look, but I put my wig on and stuff for you guys. But I do have a little haul from Juvia's place. So Juvia's place did have a $15 Halloween mystery bag. Plus I also picked up a couple of more items, you guys. So let me show you what I kind of like got. So I love their foundation sticks, and so they were on sale for like, oh gosh, I don't even remember. There was something like $3 or something for each one of them. Let's see. They were $3 or $4 for the shade 6. They were like $4.32. So I went ahead and I picked up a few other ones, some different colors. So I picked up this one, which is Belize, and that is the color there. I also picked up, this one is Janine. And so, whoa, this one is really, really dark. But I could use that for a more of a contour. I don't think I picked up that deep of a color. But this one is in Bolivia. And this is closer to my skin tone. So it's a little bit lighter, but with the winter coming, I have ones that I could play around with. Then this is Nepal. For this amount, you guys, I had to, that is Nepal right there, the top one. That's the color right there. Gosh, I got a whole bunch of them, you guys. This one is Manila. This one is a little bit darker. And they're all different colors. And then I got this one, which is Barcelona. And this is the general color that I wear too. Right there. So I love the foundation 6. So it was really, really cheap, and so I said I had to do it. Alright, so I think this is part of, what else did I get? Oh my gosh. I'm trying to read. So I think this is part of the mystery box. So in the $15 mystery box, you got a set of lippies. And these are very purple. There's a lip stick and a lip gloss. So let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm going to do what we all do. You can't tell me you do not do that. Alright. There's the color right there. Really pretty purple. And the other color, one is a matte and one is a metallic. So that was the metallic. All right. Let's get into the other items. Ooh. I got 2 palettes. Alright, let's see what this one is. Why did they put tape all over everything? Alright. So this is something different. This here is a Olari 1. Whoa. Oh, and I think I don't know if I've read this one. Ooh, some pretty colors. I gotta do better swatches than that. There's some of the colors right there. Ooh, that's pretty, that middle one. That's that one right there. Those are pretty. It's a very pretty palette. It's a very fallish palette. So, woohoo! Then also we received the smaller pan one, which was the Rebel Grays, and I love the artwork that they have. So those are the colors right there. I don't play with grays very much, but they're pretty. But always get out of my comfort zone. So you receive that, and then there's 3 other products. So I think this is a highlighter, and I've never used any of their highlighter. Let's see if I could find the start for this. So it is a cute little box. I do love Juvia Sprays. Their palettes are so pretty. Alright, got puff all over the place. Alright. Oh, that's really, really pretty. Let me not spill it all over the place. I'm trying to get a better swatch for you guys. Right over there. That is so pretty. I like that color. So I'm happy with that. Then we got a brow gel. Oh, I brought this extra, the brow gel. So I got a brow gel for them. So this is just a brown brow gel. So then there was another lippy that came with it. So I got something different than what some people got. So this is a pretty color. So got a lip, which you really can't see. Let's see. So it's just a light lip color, which is it's like a pinkish purple color, so that is kind of cool. So that is what I had gotten. So let's try to figure out from this little thing. So this is my shade 6. I should say shade 6. Okay, so yeah, so the dark brown and this palette, the second palette, were part of items that I had bought myself. So this was only $4 and some odd cents. And then these were all like $4.32. So I got a bunch of, I'll be good for my base. So in the mystery box, I did get the highlighter. I did get this palette right here. I got the two lippies in the purple, which are really, really pretty purples. And then I got the other lip. So these were part of the mystery box. For $15, that is not bad, you guys. The purples are really pretty. I don't mind this lip color, and the shadow was nice because it's more gray theme for Halloween. And this is a beautiful highlighter. I've never tried their highlighter, so I'm really, really happy about what I got in my mystery bag. I believe everybody got about the same thing. Like I said, for the extras that I brought were the brow gel, which I've never tried, and I got, what, 2, 4, 6 different of the shadow sticks because I do love this formula. It does work really good on me. And then I had gotten this extra palette, which is a great palette. And this was only $4.32, I believe. So everything that I got was really, really inexpensive, you guys. It was $15 for the mystery box. It was $4.67 for 65 for this palette. It was only $3.24 for the brow, and then all of the foundation sticks were $4.32, which they're about, I think, 16 normally, so they had a really, really good sale. So that was my little haul from my Juvia's Place Halloween mystery box, you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash it, you guys. Hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload another video. Give me a thumbs up and share me out, you guys, because I would really appreciate it. So again, this Chucky look, which I'll have my wig and stuff in the video, and I'll show you how I came up with this. It will be in yesterday's video, so make sure you guys go ahead, check that out. If not, I'm also going to link some videos up on the top, so make sure you guys show those videos some love. This is for my 31 Days of Horror Halloween, so I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I hope you guys have a wonderful, spectacular day, and I am so happy. I'm set with my foundation for quite some time, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a great day, you guys. Bye. Oh, and let me just say, hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play? Bye, everyone.